Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. On getting to the Play Store on your Android phone, simply click on search right here. The next thing you need to do is to come to search app and game and type in Mega. Then hit on search. It's going to take you right here. Click on here and you'll be taken right here. So at the time of making this video, 100 million plus have downloaded and install this particular app on their phone. Next thing you want to do is to click on install right here. After a successful installation, click on open. Then you'll be taken right here. So at this point here, you will be asked to sign up before you can have access to the cloud storage. So what you want to do here is to simply click on sign up. So right here, you have to fill in your name, your last name, your email address, then your password, scroll down and confirm your password. Next thing you need to do is to click on. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Finally, click on sign up. Email confirmation sent. What you need to do is to check on your mail. So I'm going to exit from here and I will open the mail right here. I'm going to simply refresh. Then here we go. This is the verification mail. Click on that. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down and click on activate account. Having clicked on activate account, it takes you right here. You can scroll down right here and check out your first 20 gig storage cloud right here. So what you want to do next is to simply click on maybe later from the top. And you'll be taken right here. What you need to do right here is to simply click on consent, skip for now, enable camera upload. You can decide to enable camera upload for now, or better still, skip for now. So I'm going to simply click on skip for now. Then here you go. You are here in your Mega Cloud Storage account. So you can simply click on here now, and you have access to your 20 gig free cloud storage with Mega. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.